Welcome to Start Online Business 2025 Automated $500 a day. In this video, I'll explain how to set up a business that runs mostly on autopilot. The process is simple. Pick a niche, create a useful offer, build an automated funnel, drive traffic with content, and let email and tools do the follow-up. Step 1. Niche. Choose an evergreen area like health, wealth, or relationships. Focus on one clear problem people pay to solve, such as freelancers finding clients or busy people wanting simple workouts. Step 2. Offer. Keep it small and practical. Bundle a short video guide, a template or script, and light support. For example, a client kit with outreach scripts, a tracker, and quick training. Make it easy for customers to see results. Step 3. Funnel. Your funnel moves people from freebie to paid offer. Start with a free lead magnet, then show a low-ticket product. And finally, your main program, $97.99. Use tools like Systeme.io or ClickFunnels so payments and delivery are automatic. Step 4. Traffic. Post one long tutorial each week and turn it into short clips for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Repurpose the text into a blog and email. Always use strong hooks and end with a call to action linking to your freebie. Step 5. Automation. Connect payments and emails with Zapier or Make. When someone buys, they get instant access and tags for follow-up. No manual work needed. Step 6. Email. Create a 5-day sequence. Day 1, deliver the freebie. Day 2, tell your story. Day 3, share a tip. Day 4, show proof. Day 5, pitch your offer. This sells for you automatically. Step 7. Scale. When your funnel works, increase traffic through ads, collaborations, or influencer shoutouts. More people in the funnel means more sales. And over time, you can reach $500 a day. Automation doesn't mean no work. It means smart setup now so the system runs later. Choose your niche, design your offer, build your funnel, and post content. Stay consistent, and by 2025, you can have a business earning daily while you sleep.